Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review the simple daily skin detox SOS clearing booster, and if you want to know my reviews about this, then please continue watching this video. This retails for rupees 300 and you get 25 ml of the product. It seems as though this is a 25 ml product and it is very less in quantity, but this quantity lasts for a very long time as you require just a tiny amount of this for your face. And this can be used in three ways. First, it can be used as a primer. Second, it can be used as a spot cream, and third, it can be used as a moisturizer. As a primer, you can apply it all over your T-zone so that it controls the oil production and your face does not look super oily, so it works very well as a primer. Now the second way you can use it is as a spot cream, and it can be used as a spot cream to reduce the redness, and it can be used to calm down the irritation on your skin. And the third way is that you can use it as a moisturizer. It is going to give you a very matte effect, which I absolutely love. So I think this is a savior for oily skin types, and you're definitely going to love this because this gives you a matte look and it controls the production of oil on your face. It definitely helps in reducing the future spots, and it helps you in achieving a more smoother and a softer looking skin. Your skin becomes smoother, clearer and much more radiant with regular use of this daily skin detox. This acts as a very gentle daily detox for your skin, and it contains the detoxifying properties of zinc, thyme and witch hazel. And since it is free of harsh chemicals, it is suitable for sensitive skin too. And this is a fragrance free product, so it is a 100% clean product and it can be used by very sensitive skin too. I like to apply this moisturizer on my T-zone, and then I apply a moisturizer on top of this, and this in itself is not supremely hydrating or moisturizing, but it definitely helps in controlling the oil on your face. And I also like to use it as a spot cream. This can be used up to 3 times a day, and I love the effects of this spot cream because it helps in smoothing out as well as making my skin look a lot more clearer. It fades out the spots on your skin, which I absolutely love. And this 25 ml quantity is going to last for a very long time, as it just required a tiny amount of this moisturizer and it is going to work wonders for your skin. I'm in love with this spot cream or moisturizer, whatever you may call it, and I totally recommend this daily skin detox to all of you. The simple daily skin detox SOS clearing booster is made up of concentrated 10% witch hazel and zinc and thyme, so it is definitely helpful in controlling the excess oil production on your skin, and it definitely gives you a lot more smoother looking skin with regular use of this daily skin detox. This is made up of a detoxifying blend of concentrated 10% witch hazel, zinc and thyme that work actively in reducing the oil production on your face, and you're definitely going to love the effects of this as it controls the production of oil and gives you a matte looking face, and you're not going to get disappointed with the results of this daily skin detox. It also contains glycerin and vitamin B3, which help in maintaining a healthy skin balance. This is free of harsh chemicals. There are no artificial colors or perfumes present inside this. It is free of parabens and there are no mineral oils, and it is also free of animal derived ingredients. It works on oily skin, and this is an effective moisturizer if you have got blemish prone skin or acne prone skin, and it is going to work wonders for your skin. If you are a oily skin person, then I think this is a must have for you. It also works as a spot cream by reducing the dark spots on your face and giving you a more smoother and a clearer looking skin. It definitely acts as a light moisturizer, giving you a matte look on your face. This does not contain salicylic acid, which is a main ingredient that is recommended for oily skin, and I love the fact that this does not contain salicylic acid, as salicylic acid can cause dryness to your skin. This provides instant and long lasting results against oil on your face, and I love the effects of this daily skin detox. If you've got oily skin and you want something which can control the production of oils on your skin and give you a matte effect and control the oil and sebum production on your face, then I think this is a very good product to try out. I loved using this product and I'm definitely going to purchase this product in the future. What I absolutely loved about this product is that it helps in reducing the brown spots on my face, and it gives me a very matte finish, which I absolutely love. And this 25 ml product is going to last for a very long time. I have used this product multiple times and still there's a lot of quantity left inside this tube, and I absolutely recommend this product to all of you if you have combination to oily skin type. And this is not a very heavy moisturizer. You do have to apply another layer of moisturizer if you're using this daily skin detox. But if you want to control the oil on your T-zone, then I think this is an ideal product for you, and you will love the effects of this daily skin detox. And I absolutely love it, and I absolutely recommend this product to all of you. And this has got a very lightweight texture. It does not feel heavy on your face. It does not feel greasy, and it has got more of a gel-like texture rather than a liquidy texture. And I love applying this on my face, and it controls the oil on my face perfectly well. And I love the effects of this daily skin detox. This is a very easily blendable product, and it does not leave behind any residue on your face. It does not feel heavy or greasy of any sort on your skin, and it is very lightweight. I love using this daily skin detox, and I highly recommend this product to all of you. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.